Outlook cannot connect to the server. Don't panic. Here's exactly how to fix it fast.
When you see this error, your emails, calendar, and contacts all stop working. You might see error codes like 0x8TemBirCC0E or 0x8NUMA040115. Let me show you what is happening and how to fix it.
Fix number 1. Check your internet connection and restart. Restart your computer, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Unplug your router for 30 seconds and plug it back in. This simple step fixes about 40% of all connection issues.
Fix number 2. Toggle Work Offline mode. Go to the Send and Receive tab in Outlook. Find the Work Offline button and click it to turn it off. Then check if Outlook reconnects to the server.
Fix number 3. Open Outlook in safe mode and disable faulty add-ins. Press Windows key plus R, type outlook.exe/safe, and hit Enter. Then go to File, Options, Add-ins, and disable suspicious add-ins one by one until the error goes away.
Fix number 4. Repair your account settings. Go to File, then Account Settings, select your email account, and click Repair. Also verify your port settings are correct. IMAP uses port 993 with SSL, SMTP uses port 587 with STARTTLS, and POP3 uses port 995 with SSL.
Fix number 5. Flush your DNS cache and reset your network. Open Command Prompt as administrator, then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Next, type ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew. If needed, switch your DNS to Google DNS at 8.8.8 or Cloudflare at 1.1.1.
Fix number 6. Create a brand new Outlook profile. Close Outlook, open Control Panel, click Mail, then Show Profiles. Remove the old corrupted profile and add a new one. Set it as your default profile and restart Outlook.
Fix number 7. Check your Firewall and Antivirus settings. Temporarily disable Windows Firewall or your antivirus software, then test Outlook. If it works, add Outlook cart awk ERS as an allowed exception and re-enable your protection immediately.
2 more quick fixes. Number 8. Update Outlook, Windows, and your network drivers to the latest versions. Number 9. Repair your Microsoft Office installation through Control Panel, Programs, and Features. As a bonus tip, enable RPC encryption in your Exchange account security settings.
So why does this happen? The root causes fall into 6 categories. Network issues like unstable internet or router problems. Wrong settings like incorrect port numbers or server addresses. Security blocks from firewalls or antivirus software. Corrupted files like damaged profiles or OST data. Outdated software with missing patches, and server outages on Microsoft's end. Common error codes include 0pi80tig at CC0E, 0pi80por0115, and 0pi804210E.
To prevent this from happening again, keep everything updated, back up your data regularly by exporting PST files, whitelist Outlook in your firewall settings, use reliable DNS servers like Google or Cloudflare, and monitor the Microsoft Service Health page at status.pofri.com.
You can check Microsoft Service status at statustopoverty.com. If Exchange Online shows a service interruption, just wait for Microsoft to fix it and check back every 15 to 30 minutes.
Here is a quick summary of all 9 fixes. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and leave a comment below. See you in the